Hello and welcome to Nowhere. My name is Trish and I am the creator behind Nowhere Novelties. Happy Fox Supply Company has really beautiful and easy to use full wrap designs that you can really turn into anything. I've used their templates before on the Halloween cup that had the pink, purple, and orange skulls on the bottom and the infinity wave. So today we're going to be creating another one of their designs. It has these super cute clouds and raindrops on them with a beautiful rainbow wave design and a really cool glow in the dark element that I will show to you guys. If you're ready, let's strap in and shoot for the stars. I am starting out with a 20-ounce Skinny Straight from Maker Flow Crafts. It's base painted white and base painted poorly, but that's besides the point. And we're going to be using the tack it method with this gorgeous white pearl glitter from Glitter Heart Company. When you guys see this tack it, it's beautiful. Now I'm mixing my tack it with a little bit of water. Just to dilute it down. It spreads a lot easier that way. I didn't used to dilute my tack it, but it seems to be working better for me doing it this way. So I did 2 coats of tack it, allowing it to dry down. In between, I did use my heat gun to speed up the process. And then I'm applying 1 coat of the white pearl glitter. And then I use a gloved hand to smooth down and flatten and burnish my glitter. I don't like the feeling of the glitter on my hand. So this actually works really well for me. So I use a gloved hand and flatten out that glitter. Look at this baby shine. It is the prettiest opal holographic glitter like on the planet. I love, love, love the look of this. And you're going to do a nice single layer of epoxy over this before we start to apply the vinyl. I have my template cut out. So this is on opal holographic vinyl. I did make a little circular piece for the bottom. And then these are my little waves in all of my Oracal 651 colors. Now, so I'm applying my little circle to the bottom of the cup. I think this little finishing touch is so freaking cute. This opal holographic vinyl is glow in the dark. And when I tell you it glows, baby, wait until you see the color or the picture at the end. It really glows in the dark. You charge it up and it glows so bright. It's such a cool element. Now, Tech Wrap Crafts makes this opal glow-in-the-dark vinyl, but it was out of stock when I bought it. So this is an Amazon brand, and she thick, guys. She real thick. But I cut it on light cardstock setting and was able to weed it just fine. So if you purchase this particular brand that I'll link in the description box, don't read the reviews. It does cut, it does weed. I have a Explore 2 or Explore Air 2 and cut it on the light cardstock setting and it worked just fine. So right now I'm getting the top portion of the design onto transfer paper. I only wanted the clouds and the very first like wave line because the lines for the waves actually go like overlap the colors of the waves, so like the rainbow strips. So I really only needed that first one so that I could get my lining and my spacing correct. So I was transferring just the very top portion of the design onto transfer paper, which was not easy because the little swirlies on all of these clouds made it very difficult. But I got there slowly but surely. I did work the this clear backing paper of the design off of the vinyl and was able to apply it, get it ready to apply to my tumbler. So I kind of screwed this up, applying it to the top. I didn't screw it up, but there was definitely a better way. I started getting it kind of in line at the very top here, and I wish I would have just rolled it on like I'm doing right now. I cut out a big portion of me struggling, like literally fighting with these clouds. So just take your time. This is an intricate design, and you want to make sure you get it on there nice and straight, which I did. It all worked out in the end. But just take your time and get it nice and lined up with the top rim of your cup. So now I am applying the very first wave of the rainbow. I followed the colors that came like in the file from Happy Fox Supply Company. You can make your rainbow any color you want. You don't even have to make it a rainbow. This can be whatever color you want it to be, in whatever order you want it to be. It's your cup. Do what you want to do. So once you get the first stripe on, remember how I said those, like the opal, like holographic stripes, those are going to go on top of these colors. So I'm laying the first 2 colored waves down, and then I am laying like a pinstripe almost over top of the 2. So you're going to repeat that process for all of the colored stripes. You're going to lay like your next colored stripe down, and then lay your pinstriping like over top of those 2 colors, and just keep repeating until you get all of your colored stripes and your pinstripes onto the cup. And make sure in this process that you are lining all of your seams up at the very same spot on the cup, so everything is nice and cohesive. Now I have the raindrops, and I don't know what I did, but these raindrops did not line up for me. I don't know if like my sizing on the template wasn't exactly right, but like no matter where I like started the seam, quote unquote, even though there's no seam on these raindrops, it just like either I had raindrops that were trying to go like below the bottom of the cup, or trying to go on like the rainbow stripes, like they were too high. So I kind of just started like hand placing them. It ended up working out in the long run. You can't tell that it's not like a perfectly symmetrical or perfect pattern, and that's okay. No one's gonna know. But that's it for this tutorial, guys. I did actually 3 coats of epoxy over all of this because of that thicker vinyl. It needed like 1 extra coat to make it nice and smooth. I hope you guys loved this tutorial as much as I did. I will see you all next time. And don't forget, I'm about to show you the glow. Ready? Ah! Bye, guys.